Hello everybody, my name is Molay Ganguly, and in this tutorial I will teach you Python programming from the very basic to advanced level. I will cover all the topics in detail so that you will have a very clear idea about what is going on behind the scenes. I will also cover the detailed syllabus of the CBSE students, the students who have taken Python as their subject in class 9, 10, 11 and 12. They will also be benefited from my channel. And in this video, I will show you how to download and install Python in our machine. So this is a very simple tutorial, so let's start. So first click on Google and type Python download. So click this link, download Python and python.org. This is the Python official site. Click this. And this is the download screen. So download the latest version for Windows, and the latest version is 3.8.0. Now click this, and I have already downloaded this, so I'm pausing this. This is about 25.2 MB, you can see. So pause. So minimize this, and my python.exe file is on the desktop. This is my Python file. Now double click on it, and this install Python 3.8.0 32-bit. You have to click this button, install now, and also remember to check this option, add Python 3.8 to path, so that you can give Python commands, that is you can run Python program files from any location. So check this. Now click this button, install now. So Python setup is in progress, so please wait for some time. So setup has been successful. So now let's check it out what has happened. Close it. Now click start and type Python. Now see, Python has been loaded successfully, and this is the Python IDLE and this is the Python file. So click IDLE to check it out. So this is the Python IDLE, that is Python interpreter. You can give any Python instruction, Python expression, anything, and they will be run directly from here. So let's check it out. Now type, suppose for example x equal to 6, enter, y equals to 7 and x plus y, enter. Now see, the result is 13 and it has come directly. So you can give any command directly from here. So it is proof that Python has been installed successfully in our machine. So this is the video, and in the next video we will see how to run Python differently, that is from command prompt, from Python IDLE and different Python editors. We will see later. So thank you very much for watching.